autocorrect options. How to set the autocorrect option? Like say for example, you are preparing the suppose preparing a document for a company, and the company name you need to type multiple times, and the name is quite big. So you want that whenever you type the name in abbreviation, automatically the full company name will appear. Okay. Say for example, suppose if I write PL, if I write PL and press space bar, automatically it suppose PE, and I press space bar, automatically say Planet Electronics should come. Okay, so this type of say autocorrect feature we want to apply. Also, sometimes you might have seen that while typing, you have made a typing mistake. Suppose instead of THE, you have written TEH. And when you press spacebar, automatically it gets corrected to THE. So these type of small things, typo common things can also be set in the system. And these things, even if we make some minor common typo errors, automatically it can be corrected through the system. So for that, we need to enable or we need to set some autocorrect entries. So how we can go for it? There are different ways. I will show you both the options. So we come to insert tab. On the insert tab, we have the symbols option. Again, it got hanged. And we go to more symbols. Okay. Here we have this button called autocorrect. All right. So what I did on the insert tab, click on symbols and then click on more symbols, and there we get the autocorrect button. Okay. This is one way of doing it or reaching out over there. Another option that we have is we can go to file and we can go to here options, proofing, and here also we have this autocorrect options. This will take you directly to the autocorrect dialog box. Okay. However, when you work with the options feature, be careful because here if you make whatever changes you are making, that will impact the whole software. So that is why you have to be little careful that which options you are taking. So you can go to file, you can go to options, from there you can go to proofing, and then you can go to autocorrect button. Okay, so whatever way you choose, you can go from all these steps and go to this autocorrect dialog box. Okay, now here you can see replace. The first one is replace. What we want to replace. So suppose I want to have replace PL. So if I write PL, it should get corrected with what? It should get replaced with what? Planet Electronics. So this is what I want to do. That whenever I type PL, it will be replaced with Planet Electronics. So now if I click add, it is added in the list. Now I click OK. Close this. And here now see when I type PL, it gets converted to Planet Electronics. So whenever I type, it will be converted to Planet Electronics. Okay. So I'm just repeating the process once again. Now I'm doing it through file. File, options, proofing, autocorrect option. From here, I type PL click on replace with. It is already there, so that is why it is not highlighted. So suppose PL L, it's a new one which I am creating. So now here I can type Planet Electronics Limited. If I click add, it will be added in the list. So it is added in the list. Click OK, close, and PLL. If I write PL, only this PLL. Also, you can have a look at the options that are over there. That is, as I mentioned, that if some common typo errors we do, those gets automatically corrected. Like say change spelling, CHANGE. And usually when we do fast typing, sometimes E or G gets interchanged. So automatically it will update that. We don't need to we don't need to worry about that. So check CHEKC. So let me type it here. CHEKC. See, automatically it got corrected. CHANEG. So this is very useful feature for the common things, most commonly used words or big abbreviations also if required, we can create autocorrect entries for those. And if some autocorrect entry you have created and later on you think that it is no more needed in the system, so those also you can remove from here. Like say, suppose I want to remove that PL and PLL. So I can select it and just delete. So it is deleted. All right. So in this manner, we can work with the autocorrect entries.